Welcome to another exciting year at Trent University. This year will undoubtedly be different in many ways, but the Trent spirit and our sense of community remain. As a key component of our ability to deliver the Trent experience to you, a number of new and existing technologies have been deployed to help you connect and participate in your classes and activities. The following is a collection of resources that will help you identify how to get started with these services and how to use them effectively. All of the links presented in this video are available in the description. The MyTrent Portal is the digital hub for all your Trent services and resources. It's also how you access Blackboard, the university's learning management system, and all of the other applications you'll use as a student at Trent. Blackboard Courses will appear for the fall semester 5 calendar days before they begin. After the start of the semester, courses registered during normal business hours will appear on Blackboard the next morning. Courses registered outside of business hours may take 2 days to appear. Many courses this year will deliver classes using the Zoom integration with Blackboard. To access scheduled class meetings, click on the course in Blackboard and select the Zoom Live Sessions link on the course menu. Zoom Live Sessions requires the use of Zoom software. Some courses may not use this method to connect, and in those cases you will receive instructions on how to get started directly from your professor. Watch the Blackboard site and your Trent email for more details. Virtual Computing Commons provide all Trent University students and faculty with access to a remote virtual Windows desktop that includes a suite of software applications necessary to support teaching and learning. This service provides secure remote access to specialized application software, which in some cases may only be available on campus. As a student at Trent University, you are entitled to a free copy of Microsoft Office. This professional edition of Office can be installed on up to 5 devices and includes subscriptions to the mobile Office apps, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive too. To download your copy of Office, please see the link below or in the video details. You may have noticed that your email looks a lot like a regular Gmail account. That is because the university has partnered with Google to provide your email service to you. G Suite includes access to all of the other Google components, including unlimited storage in Google Drive, Photos, Docs, and more. Trent University has many supports available to help you be successful this year. While we have tried to provide you with the most important tech tips in this video, there are many other technology resources available. Please visit the Trent IT Going Remote page for more resources. Our IT Service Desk hours commencing on September 10th are as follows. If you have any questions or require technology assistance, please feel free to contact the IT Service Desk via email at it@trentu.ca or by phone at 705-748-1010. On behalf of all of us at Trent IT, we offer our best wishes for the coming year.